Ah! You're gonna cover my car with dust. The wind is blowing.
Okay, I just saw your sandblast.
I know.
It was fine.
Yeah, but it was
Alright.
it was 30 seconds. Yes, tomorrow. It said you're gonna cover my car with dust. I'm just saying it's blowing all the dust all over my car that we're trying to sell tomorrow. And then everybody will come and do that with sandblast all over and scratch my paint. We're down to the wire. Weeks of chaos, months of planning, and it all comes down to this. The yard's a war zone. Cars are lined up, last minute fix is happening, coffee's running low. Well, what do you want, man? Like, holy nerves are running high. I'm not gonna get close to what these cars I have into it. But that's just another day around here. Truth is, I didn't choose this. The ALC's backed me into a corner. I forced my hand. The car's gotta go. I don't have a choice. For 2 years, I've been fighting them, and they say, no, we're not changing the zoning. Tomorrow, the gates open. And if all hell breaks loose, well, that's kind of the plan.
Right now, just before the auction, Mike's putting on a brave face, I guess you could say.
Are you gonna do it by yourself?
No, just hang tough for just a minute.
Well, I'm waiting. I'm just here to help. You know me.
Yeah, you just hold on to that quarter panel there. I thought it was gonna fall off. Okay. Whoa. Whoop. Okay, how are you, Blair?
Pretty good.
Good.
Mike's in there.
Mike who?
I don't even know anymore.
Hey, Michael. How are you?
You wish you don't get what we have, or you will not be happy. We have been dragging our asses for a week.
You want us to park right there?
Wherever you want. We
right
cleaned out the booth for you yesterday.
Let's get you all set
Yep,
up in here
okay.
in the first place.
Yes.
And then listen, if I'm parking here, are
Yep.
you planning on moving this or no?
We can move it if you want. Now, Todd,
So they don't fall off and we lose.
there's only 50 cars. We don't have to sell them all in 3 seconds, okay?
Speaking of that,
Okay?
no, there's more than 50,
60.
70.
Okay, but still.
But listen, I got 20 items to sell prior to your
Yeah.
auction. So
Okay,
So
but
let's
just,
do that.
I want to hear going once, going twice, not sold, sold, sold.
Come on, why not?
You do a good job.
We're gonna
Call.
we're gonna do fine, and we haven't even started live yet.
I know.
It's
Yes.
gonna be just fine. And to
Okay.
tell you the truth, right now, in the last 3 days, I'd say the phone is just like bing, 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 bing for people registering for your auction.
Really?
I don't even know how you do it.
Good looks and talent are not part of the equation.
They never were, Mike.
We're gonna have a lot of people here. We've got to get cars lined up, set up. I got to finish a car. Freaking exhaustion. It's good.
The tire filler upper. The tire filler upper thing.
Give me a quick break.
Is missing in action. Might work.
What am I doing with this?
You're gonna go fill up a tire. You're killing me. You're killing me, Blair. Does this work? Do we have a functioning tire filler upper? Yeah, you're not in a good place right now.
Said you were on the Bobcat, so I better move.
That's right. Stay out of swing area, Sousa. Okay, so I'm thinking if you just crank the wheels hard, it should follow us. Yeah, in a perfect world. Never have so few done so much to accomplish so little.
Mike is pretty wired for sound right now.
Okay, this is a hood louver, a 68 Roadrunner. So this goes here, finishes off the hood. That's a very hard to find piece. So luckily we found one. And it's got to be painted black to match the other one.
You're getting serious now.
Well, that bead blaster just won't hit that paint. Like 12 coats and it's 50 years old. You're always supposed to have gloves, safety glasses. Just remember, do as I say, not as I do. Oh, here. Lisa, we've been screwed.
Oh.
Literally and figuratively. Hey, Blair, who wants to know if you got time to sandblast your fifth wheel hitch right now?
Of course I do.
I
Do
told her
look
that.
stupid?
I really wouldn't want to be in his shoes right now, getting ready for this auction. And, well, man, I mean, I'd be a little bit apprehensive too. I mean, he's putting a lot on the line, all this collection.
Blair, you're gonna cover my car with dust. The wind is blowing.
Okay, I just saw you sandblasting here.
I know.
It was fine.
Yeah, but it was
All right.
It was
You
30
can
seconds.
sandblast here.
Yes, tomorrow. They said you're gonna cover my car with dust. Right? $60,000. I did it for 30 seconds. Holy.
He's ready to go home.
I know. Well, which way's the wind blowing, Lou?
I know. I put my shades on.
Okay, well, I'm just saying it's blowing all the dust all over my car that we're trying to sell tomorrow. And then everybody will come and do that with sandblast all over it, scratch my paint.
If you want, I can dust it for you.
Well, no, if you want to blast it, go do it out front.
I was going to do it.
Yes, but don't do it. It's just the wind is blowing all the dust onto my car, Lou.
You sound manic.
Well, no, I'm just, I'm going to lose 40 grand. I don't lose to lose
You're not
50.
going to lose 40 grand.
Lou, right now
not.
this bid is 7 grand. We have 50,000 into
That's
it.
online.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. I'm not Blue. I'm not going to get close to what these cars I have into it. Not even close. I admit that, but I don't need to cover it with sandblast dust the day before the auction to sandblast your hitch.
Michael, take a breath.
Okay, go put it around front.
I'll go do it.
Yeah, but do it around front. It's
I
not.
will.
It's not the blasting. It's the location. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Well, Blair's not losing his. He needs to go home.
I know he needs
Yes,
to
he
go
does.
home. I'm going
Me
to take
too.
him to town and
I
get him
need to
a
go
bowl of
home
soup.
too.
You live here.
I know.
You're fine.
Okay.
Don't forget to breathe.
How did the day go for you?
Freaking well, lovely. Oh yeah. Yeah, if I had more days like this.
We didn't kill each other. It was a
Yeah.
success.
Almost, it was close. So what else could go wrong?
I think we're just about done what we're doing. I mean, realistically. Blair will give you a self-instructional video.
There you go. Yeah, phone me. Here's my number, 911 Blair. Yeah, so this day did not end quite soon enough.
Oh, the ALC shut us down. So I'm getting down to like 10 cars.
Welcome to the third and final Rust Bros auction.
I never thought the day would come, and I'm surprised he's doing it.